Hi, I'm Deborah Ginsberg, founder and CEO of Strategia Design. So today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about color. So take a moment and think back about how much we associate color with brands. In design and manufacturing and branding, color is essential. It is the big component for establishing brand recognition or brand equity over time. So I have in front of me some color books, some color Pantone Matching System books. Pantone Matching System is the system for identifying colors, and it tells a printer exactly how much pigment to combine in order to make a certain color. It's like a recipe or a formula. So before we talk about the Pantone Matching System and how it works, I want to give you a little bit of history. So in the 1950s, color started to take on a much more impactful role in brands. Do you remember Kodak and Kodak Yellow? It was probably the first and most recognizable, ownable color. But that brand started to shift, and they started to notice that customers weren't as trusting of their brand when it did. So the Pantone company originally started printing guides for cosmetic companies. And in 1962, a chemist named Lawrence Herbert found a way to simplify and systematize color pigments to produce a consistent set of colors for printing. And it's what we know today as Pantone Matching System, or PMS. The concept behind this is that it ensures that we as designers can pick colors and they will match consistently along all the different print mediums across manufacturers and substrates. It's really our quality control system, our language when it comes to color. So Pantone puts out a lot of different tools that we can use, and I have them in front of me. They have what's called a chip book, and it allows you to actually tear different chips out and send them to clients so that you can match them and have them in your hand, that touch and feel. They also have these things called Pantone Wheels, which you can use as well. And they will show you, I don't know if you can see this, but on one side there is a color build CMYK, and the other side is a spot color. So Pantone Matching System has different colors that you associate with it. So for instance, a PMS 021 is a very bright orange. And everybody who's talking about that will know that. It also shows you how to build a spot color using CMYK, which is the cyan, yellow, magenta, and black that's used in most printing methods. And we'll talk about printing more in another video. The nice thing about these books is that they'll show what the color will look like on all different types of substrates and with different varnishes. So it gives you an idea of how to standardize that color from product to product or item to item. And I know it's a little complicated, but understanding the history and understanding the tools that you have can make your life as a designer or even as a manufacturer that much easier. If you don't understand it, you should reach out to your design partner or your printing partner, and I'm sure they'd be happy to walk you through them. And if not, you can give us a call. So that's it for today. We'll be back in 2 weeks with another video. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at info@strategiadesign.com or follow us on LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, or Twitter. See you next time.